The last problem is a cotangent problem, and we see it's y equals 4 times the cotangent of 2 theta plus 30. So strategy remains the same. Let us go ahead and solve for the period of this function. So again, the period is equal to pi over b, which in this case is pi over 2, because 2 is the coefficient, and it's we're done, so the period is 90 degrees. Let's take a look and see which of these fit the bill. Period has got to be 90 degrees. The first one is a period of 180. Okay, this is the distance between 0 appears to be approximately 180. The distance between 0 here is 90 degrees. Okay, if you notice, you can kind of shift it to the right a little bit, and you'll see it goes through this box and this box, which is a 90 degree, so B is possible. C, let's say here C, the period between 90 and 180, we've got 2 periods. It looks like we've got a 45 degree period here, so this is not possible. And let's look at D. Once again, we've got a 90 degree period here, so it could possibly be D. So our choices here are either B or D, but you'll notice that they have different x intercepts. So let's go ahead and let's try to figure out what would be the x-intercept for this function. And so let's remember our cotangent function, which we drew out over here. And the x's for the cotangent are all at odd pi over 2. So it could be 90 degrees, 270 degrees, or negative 90 and negative 270 degrees. Let's go ahead and figure out what we want to set this equal to 2 theta plus 30. It kind of looks like 90 might work well, right? So let's go ahead and set it equal to 90, and again we're solving for the zeros. In this case, 2 theta would equal 60, theta would equal 30. Okay, so 1 0 would be at 30, and let's go ahead and see which one of these is at 30. Could B be at 30? Well, this is 45, and this is about a third way down, so from what we saw before, that is just about where we'd expect 30 to be. So it looks like B is our answer, but let's take a look at D just to be sure. Is there any 0 at 30? No. We've got no intersection of the x-axis anywhere here between 0 and 45, so the answer has got to be B. Again, a very straightforward answer. Maybe not so straightforward because we needed to do more than just know the period. We had to calculate the x-intercept as well. But a very clear difference in the x-intercepts between B and D.